Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable memory extension on your POCO M8 Pro smartphone. First of all, let's open the settings on our device, and then let's swipe down to additional settings at the bottom, open them, and now here we're gonna have to scroll down to the memory extension option, which is available in Special Features tab. Then you're gonna have to select the amount of virtual RAM memory that you want to add to your general RAM memory. So as you can see right now, 6 GB is selected. Let's change it to 8 GB. And then to apply changes, we're gonna have to reboot our device by clicking Reboot. After that, you're just gonna have to wait until your device is restarted, and the changes will be applied afterwards. And so that's it. That's how you extend memory on your POCO M8 Pro. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. Then I'll see you in the next one.